Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a paper pair of slippers. So this is a very easy way of making a paper pair of slippers, and this is useful too. So you can make it in a very smaller size and you can use it for your dolls, or you can make it in a little bigger size and you can also use it for your Barbie dolls, or you can make it in a medium size and use it for your big dolls or something else, or you can just gift it to someone or your friends or relatives. You can also keep this as a home decor, and you can also make it in a really big size and you can use it for walking in your house. So this paper pair of slipper has many uses. So now without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this beautiful pair of slippers. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. So now let's get started. So I'm just going to be showing you these slippers. So as you guys can see, this is a very easy way of making them. So first, for this activity, I'm just going to be taking a square piece of paper of pink color. So the first step we're going to be doing is that I'm folding the paper in half. So you guys can take a rectangular piece of paper as well. I'm folding the paper in half so that we can make two slippers. So I'm just going to be cutting this paper slowly like this. So now I'm just going to be folding the paper in half one more time, slowly like this. And now we have to fold this rectangle in half. So I'm just going to be opening it. And I'm applying some glue onto the rectangular piece of paper over here. So after we apply some glue, I'm just going to be using my hand to spread the glue. And now I'm sticking the paper in half. So now I'm just going to be folding the paper in half one more time and applying some glue onto the bottom part. And I'm just going to be applying some glue over here and I'm spreading it with my finger and I'm pressing it back in. So after we complete this, we'll get a rectangle like this. So we have to repeat the same step onto the other rectangle as well. So I'm just going to be doing it in a very fast manner. You guys can do it and watch it. So after we complete this, we'll get another rectangle like this. So the next step we're going to be doing is that I'm just going to be taking this paper and I'm cutting it on the corners like this. So I'm just going to be cutting it slowly like this to make it look like a slipper-like structure. So I'm just going to be cutting it in an oval manner. So you have to do this slowly. So now we'll get a rectangular slipper-like structure. So I'm just going to be taking this slipper and I'm placing it over here on the other rectangle, and I'm just going to be cutting out the same. So you guys can use fingers for this as well, like you can draw the leg toe part, but it will be hard and it won't look nice as well if you do that. So I'm just going to be cutting it out like this. So we just have to place this part on the top and we have to cut it. I think you guys cannot see this properly because the pink is camouflaging with the other pink. So after we complete this, it will be hard, but we have to separate these two slowly. And now we'll get two structures like this. So we have to give it some time to dry as well. So now we'll get two rectangles. So now it's time to decorate the bottom part. So I'm just going to be taking another pink marker and I'm just going to be decorating it. So for example, I'm just going to be drawing small dots on this slipper. So as I said, you guys can use your own creativity to decorate it. This is going to be the bottom part of the slipper. So after we stick the holding part, it will be hard to decorate. So I prefer that you can decorate it now. So you can use different colors and you can use your own creativity to design it. So I'm just going to be drawing small dots over here to make it look like night slippers for pajamas. So I'm repeating the same step on the opposite side of the paper as well. So as I said, you guys can use your own creativity to design it. You can also draw lines, stars and many more things like that, or you can write good night or hi or hello and many more like that. So I'm just going to be drawing a few more circles over here. So now we're going to be making the top part. So for this, you guys can take a different color paper as well, but I'm going to be making it in the same color. So I'm taking pink and I'm cutting out a rectangular strip of paper over here. So now I'm just going to be placing this paper at the bottom part and I'm just going to be rolling this part over here on the top. So as this is too big, so I'm just going to be cutting this paper at the corner part to make it a perfect size. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be turning the slipper to the back part. So as I said, I haven't said this before, but you can take one paper and you can cut it as well, but it won't be strong as this one. So I'm just going to be applying some glue onto the back part of the slipper. So please notice the back part of the slipper. Do not apply it onto the front part. So now I'm just going to be taking one part and I'm pressing it over here. Now I'm just going to be turning the paper to this side and I'm sticking this part as well. So we have to do this slowly and I'm sticking it onto the opposite side. So we have to do this slowly, as I said, because if you do it in a very fast manner, it will get collapsed. So you have to stick it slowly like this. So after we complete this, one of our slippers will be ready. So it won't look nice in the back part. So you guys can just stick something extra like that, or you can just stick another rectangular paper on the bottom. So now I'm just going to be repeating the same step on the opposite side. So I'm just going to be cutting out another small rectangle. Now I'm just going to be taking this rectangle and I'm sticking glue over here, and now I'm just going to be rotating this and I'm sticking it onto the opposite side. So we just have to press on it, as I said. So after we complete this, our paper slippers are ready. So this is a very easy way of making a paper slipper, and this is useful too. So I already said the uses in the beginning, so you guys can pay forward the video to see that. So now our slippers turned out really beautifully, and this one's bigger in size and the first one I made is kind of small. So you guys can use your own creativity and design it. So for example, I'm just going to be taking a Barbie doll over here, and we can put these shoes over here. So I'm just going to be pushing this part over here, and I'm just going to be pushing it. So now this Barbie doll can wear it and you can keep like a night slipper or night pajama shoe. So you guys can make it in a really smaller size so that it will fit perfectly. So after we complete this, our paper slipper is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So thank you for watching this video, and subscribe to my channel, as I said, and go watch my channel for more interesting videos like this, and I post a video every day. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!